Are you thinking about making a move to Oak Ridge, North Carolina, and want to know all there is to know about the neighborhood of Staffordshire Estates? Then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and live it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it would be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you on a little tour, a little adventure of all Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out this Oak Ridge neighborhood? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of Staffordshire Estates. Staffordshire, Stafford. We can ask my English husband. It's like Worcestershire sauce. Is it Worcestershire? I don't know. It's Staffordshire Estates. That's where we are. We are in Oak Ridge, which is northwest of Greensboro. You are still in Guilford County, and you're in the zip code of 27310. And this neighborhood was developed in like the late 80s. And by 80s, I mean like 88, 89. Up till like some recent building out here in like 23, 24. You are 10 minutes to the airport, and you are 20 minutes to downtown Greensboro, and 13 minutes to Kernersville. So everything's real close. What I love about this neighborhood is not only is there like a mix of different houses, you've got established landscaping, but you've got like trees in the background too. So it's like a very pretty backdrop. There are no sidewalks here, but no one's cutting through, because the only people coming to this neighborhood are the people that live here. Let's talk house pricing. The average house price here in Staffordshire Estates, we'll do a slash in the middle, is $648,000. But they range in price between $592,000 to $705,000. So that's the price range. Size-wise, they range between 3,100 to 4,200 square feet, with the average being 3,300 square feet. And the average price per square foot is $194, and they range between $176 to about $228 a square foot. So that's kind of giving you what you see, giving you like pricing wise. But as you can see, these are really big lots. Some of them look way bigger than others, but they all, for average, what's sold recently has been, all those prices are July of 2025, going back a year, or around an acre, just shy of an acre, like 0.94, 0.95, 0.96. You get the picture. But these houses are typically 3, 4, 5 bedrooms with the bonus. 3 or 4 bath. They all have at least a 2-car garage, if not more. I haven't seen a 3 yet, but I'm looking, always watching. There is no HOA here. The tax rate here is 0.9%. Grocery shopping. You have a Lowe's 4 minutes away right here in the middle of Oak Ridge. You do have shopping here in Oak Ridge, not a ton, but if you're looking for like stores, those, I would say go to Friendly Center. That's going to be about 20 minutes away. The closest place is either Kernersville, or you would go to New Garden, where everything is right there. Let's talk green spaces. Oak Ridge has a swim and tennis, that's 4 minutes away. Oak Ridge also has a town park with like paved walking, which is great. That's 5 minutes away. There are walking trails in the woods, that's 6 minutes away. Lake Higgins is 12. Science Center is 15, and Vermont Park is around 16 minutes away. And the schools you'd be slotted for are Oak Ridge Elementary, Northwest Guilford Middle, and Northwest Guilford High School. I appreciate you sticking to the end. I hope you've learned all that you wanted to know about the neighborhood of Staffordshire Estates right here in Oak Ridge. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.